Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zarina Aslam, Subject Specialist of Pakistan Studies in Divisional Public School and Inter-College Sahiwal. I welcome you all in today's online class. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Let's start our today's lesson. Today we will study Naseeruddin M.Humayun. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to know the early life of Humayun, enlist the administrative problems of Humayun, analyze the defeat of Humayun by Sher Shah at Kannauj. Zahiruddin Babur, founder of Mughal Empire. Babur was established his rule after a long struggle in Afghanistan and India. Sons of Zahiruddin Babur. Babur had 4 sons: Humayun, Kamran, Askari, and Hindal. Naseeruddin Muhammad Humayun, the elder son of Babur, he was the only son of his mother. His younger brother Kamran, Askari, Hindal were born of another wives of Babur. After the death of Zahiruddin Babur, his son Naseeruddin Humayun assumed the throne. Naseeruddin Humayun was born in Kabul in 1508. In Kabul. Kabul is located in Afghanistan. Babur gave special attention to his intellectual and practical training. Humayun succeeded his father to the throne of Delhi as ruler of the Mughal territories in the Indian subcontinent. Humayun was inexperienced ruler when he came to power at the age of 22. Humayun literally meaning fortunate. But through most of his life, he's remained unfortunate. Humayun very quickly learned Turkish language, Persian, Arabic. Languages and literature, knowledge. Then he turned toward other disciplines of knowledge. He was especially interested in mathematics and astronomy. Military expeditions of Naseeruddin Muhammad Humayun. Humayun's military career began with taking part in military expeditions along with his father. Babur appointed him the governor of Badakhshan when he was only 12 years old. The province of Badakhshan is located in the northeast of Afghanistan. Here, Humayun managed the state affairs successfully. His counselors and people of Badakhshan had an important role in his accomplishment. Babur had appointed these counselors for Humayun's guidance. In the Battle of Panipat, Humayun fought composedly. After the fight, Babur sent him to Agra to take the charge of treasury and other establishments. There, Humayun has prohibited his soldiers from any type of killing and looting. Battle of Kanwaha in 1527 AD. After the Battle of Kanwaha, Humayun led a great expedition against Afghans and accomplished his tasks successfully. This success abstained from more conquest and returned to Badakhshan. After the death of Babur, he was enthroned in 1530. Babur passed away in 1530. Babur was first buried in Agra. But as per his wishes, his remains were moved to Kabul and reburied over here. Administrative problems. Humayun had to face following administrative issues. Treasury was almost exhausted. Babur spent all the wealth in fighting against rebels, conquest, and public work. Babur was a powerful ruler, whereas Humayun was considered a weak ruler, which changed the political scene. Babur had advised Humayun to always be good to his brothers. Accordingly, Humayun divided his kingdom into four parts. Mirza Kamran was assigned the governorship of Kabul and Kandahar. Other areas were entrusted to Askari and Hind. In this divided kingdom, when Humayun was in hot waters, none of his brothers came to rescue him. A failed attempt to revive Humayun as king. On reaching Agra, Humayun forgave his brother Mirza Hindal's attempt to assume the kingship. He tried to consolidate his power and appealed to all relatives and brothers, but they showed inability to join forces. At last, Humayun, after great efforts, prepared an army of 40,000 men. Soldiers of this army were mostly inexperienced. Many of them have never seen the battlefield before. Now, who is he? He is Sher Shah Suri. Was a talented, bold, and dynamic soldier who rebelled against the Mughal Empire and overthrew the government of the Emperor Humayun. He defeated Humayun once again at Kannauj in May 1540 and forced him out of India. When Sher Shah heard about Humayun's preparation for war, he immediately went at Kannauj and in advance camped at his favorite spot. Humayun was forced to camp his troops in a low-lying place. Meanwhile, rainfall started and Humayun's camp under water. While his soldiers were busy in changing their camping site, Sher Shah suddenly attacked and Humayun's soldiers left the battlefield without any fight. Thus, Sher Shah won this battle easily. Now it's time for home assignment. Give short answers. Question number 1, who was Naseeruddin Humayun? Question number 2, when and where was Humayun born? Question number 3, when did Babur appoint Humayun as a governor of Badakhshan? Question number 4, what type of ruler was Humayun by nature? Now, it's a time for MCQs. To revise your lesson, 4 options are given. You have to choose only one option. Choose the correct option. Number 1, Babur passed away in A. 1526 AD, B. 1530 AD, C. 1534 AD, D. 1538. What do you think which is the correct answer? Correct answer is B option, 1530 AD. 2. When was Humayun enthroned? A. 1530 AD, B. 1531 AD, C. 1540 AD, D. 1570 AD. So which is the correct answer? 1530, when Humayun became ruler. 3. Who was assigned the governorship of Kabul and Kandahar? A. Hindal, B. Kamran, C. Askari, D. Sher Shah. So which is the correct answer? B. Kamran. Next, number 4. Humayun prepared an army of men soldiers? A. 10,000, B. 20,000, C. 30,000, D. 40,000. What do you think the answer? D option, 40,000. 5. What was the age of Humayun when Babur appointed him as a governor of Badakhshan? A. 12 years, B. 13 years, C. 14 years, D. 15 years. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer is 12 years. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.